Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on June the 27th, 2022 in Kastamonu, Turkey. Provinces in Turkey's Black Sea region started this week with flash floods after downpours late on Sunday. The worst floods appeared to hit the Inebolu district of Kastamonu province. Inebolu stream overflowed its banks on Monday morning, inundating residential areas along the stream, damaging parks and the marketplace. Basement floors of houses were filled with flood waters, while the local municipality warned the owners of shops of the first floors of buildings not to open. Locals were also urged not to approach the banks and to take shelter on the upper floors of buildings if their first and basement floor residences are at risk. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.